Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fani Kamalasari from class 5G and with student ID 23110400154. And today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating topic in linguistics, morphology and syntax. So, if you have ever wondered how words are formed or how sentences are built correctly, then stay with me till the end because you are about to find out how language truly works. Alright, let's begin. Okay, next slide. In this next slide, there is introduction. Language actually has two main structure. The first, morphology and syntax. Morphology focus on how words are formed, while syntax focus on how choose words are arranged to form meaningful sentence. Let's look at this example. The students are studying linguistics. In morphology, we analyze study plus ing to studying that word formation in syntax, we see subject plus verb plus object, that sentence structure. So remember this key phrase, word make meaning and syntax makes sense. Pretty cool, right? Okay, next slide. There is what is morphology. So, what exactly is morphology? Morphology is the study of how words are formed and how they relate to other words in a language. The smallest unit of meaning in a word is called a morpheme. Let's look at a few examples. The first, there is prefix. Un mean to unhappy. Rude, help to helpful, and suffix meanness to kindness. Okay, if we take the sentence, he is a helpful person, we can see that helpful come from help plus full, meaning someone who give help. See, a small part like meaningful can change to whole meaning of a word. Okay, and next slide, there is type of morphology. There are two main type of morphology, and this is super important. The first, there is inflectional morphology. This changes the form of a word to show grammatical feature like tense, number, and degree. Example, play to plate, cat to cat. And second, there is derivational morphology. This one create a new word and adding prefix or suffix, often changing the meaning of the word class. Example, happy to happiness, kind to unkind. So here an easy way to remember. Inflectional change the form and derivational create new word. Simple, right? Okay. Now we are moved to next slide. There is what is syntax. Now let's move on syntax, the part that make your sentence sound natural and correct. Syntax study how words are arranged to form phrase, clause, and sentence. It's all about word order and structure. For example, the correct that is the cat chase the mouse. And the wrong example there is chase the cat the most. The same word, but the order changes everything. That why syntax is so powerful. It gives our sentence sense and structure. Okay, and then let's move to the next slide. There is element of syntax. Okay, in syntax, we have several layers that work together. The first, word are the basic units of meaning, and the secondary is phrases. Phrases are groups of words that don't make a full idea. And the third, there is clauses. Clauses have a subject and a verb. And the last, there is sentence, express a complete thought. For example, the students are studying. That a sentence because it has a subject and a verb. So syntax help us organize word correctly, and that what makes language beautiful and logical. All right. Okay, and then we are moved to next slide. There is morphology and syntax in action. Now let's see how morphology and syntax actually work together. Example, the hardworking students are studying seriously. The morphology part, the first there is hard plus work plus ing, hardworking, derivational. And the second there is study plus ing, studying, inflectional. And the second, there is syntax part. The first, there is the hardworking student, noun praise. And the second, there is are studying seriously, verb praise. Put them together and we get a complete sentence. There is noun praise plus verb praise. So here the key idea, morphology from the word and syntax arrange them beautifully. They are like the architect of language. And okay, and then there is conclusion. To wrap up, let's remember morphology build the word and syntax build the sentence. Together, they are from the foundation of language create meaning. For example, the beautiful girl sings sweetly. The morphology, beautiful, beauty plus full to beautiful, and syntax subject girl plus verb sing and adverb sweetly. So next time you read or write a sentence, think about how these two morphology and syntax work together behind the skins. And then thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, see you in the next one. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.